Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into the channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block I got something really good for you guys, and I think you guys are going to really enjoy it. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a 24 karat gold ribs. Alright? And these are the ingredients that we're going to be using. This is some adobo. This right here, let me look at it, some chili. And this is granulated onion, smoked paprika, granulated garlic, and chipotle chili pepper. And I have some golden sweet baby rays barbecue sauce. And I have some Tony's Creole seasoning and some cinnamon. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started on that. And also, you're going to need some gold right here. So I don't know if you guys can see that. This is gold. Edible gold. 24 carats. That's right. And that's what we're going to be making. Alright, so I already cut up my ribs and all this stuff. I just left it out here like that. What I did is took the knife and went down the back side to cut the rib tip out, and that's what I did with that. There was a lip, little meaty part that's in the back. I had cut that off. That's that, and it's the end piece of the rib. Okay, but I'm gonna leave this on here because I'm gonna season this up. All right, we'll put this side right here, and these the ribs right here. All right. Alright, now let me get some gloves. Okay guys, I am back. I got my gloves on, and we're going to go ahead and start with some of these seasonings. This is the adobo. We're just going to sprinkle some of that on there. I should have probably turned the board this way. So if you notice, I don't have no salt out there because I don't want to put a lot of salt on this. So that's that. We're going to come with this, we'll go with the onion. Yeah, we'll go with the onion. Put that onion powder on there. Butter to do it. Garlic. We go with the chili. No, we go with the Tony's. I'm tripping. Put a little spice in your life. Alright. Okay guys, we're just going to go ahead and go with this chipotle. And I do want to give a shout out to a guy I thought was going to be the first one to make this. It's called Sonny's Barbecue, and you can look him up on YouTube. He was the first one that I seen that came up with it. I thought I was going to be the first one, but apparently not. So shout out to you, Sonny. And if you guys make this, please give me and Sonny some love. Okay? Please, could you do that? I'm just trying to keep it real. Just show some love, let people know where you got it from now. Don't just be out there, like you the one that came up with it. So, ain't nobody tripping on it, but I'm just letting you know. Alright, and do preheat your oven, that's what you heard in the back, to like 425. Alright. You want to say hi, Kiana?
Hi.
To the people? They can't see right there. You got to get down low like this. I was going to let her do it, but we got something planned for her because it's going to be a golden series. Because I'm going to be making up some other stuff with some gold. So guys, stay tuned in for that. These golden ribs are going to be off the chain, I guarantee you that. So yeah, just make sure you share us out. do go over there and watch Sunny video. It's not quite like I'm doing mine, but I think he used some flakes or something, like some golden flakes or something on his. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to spread it down just to give it a little oil on it. So all this is some olive oil, okay? That's all that is. So I'm going to just spray that down a little bit so they can like crisp up on there. Alright. Alright guys, that's what we're working with. Right here. Okay? All going to look like it's done, already done it. So, we're going to pop this in the oven for about 30 minutes, then we'll check on it. And then we'll put some foil around it and finish letting it cook. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. These ribs been cooking for about 30 minutes, and I just want to take them out. So yes, I'll put them right here in this pan. I'm not in this pan. Up on this, this foil. I'm gonna do one at a time, but let's see if I can make this happen. Flip it this way. I think I cooked. Yeah, ain't too bad. So this is why I did it. You guys can see that. Just went like this on it. And we just take it and fold this up. I'm going to throw another piece of foil on it. But before I do that, I don't know why I did that first. Before I do that, I like to take a little apple cider vinegar and put it in there. Just add tons of flavor. Now you don't have to do it, but I'm doing it. So if you want yours to taste like mine, like these golden ribs, you're going to do it. But you don't have to. Alright, just put a little bit, just a little bit on there. Just going to fold this up. Bring these sides in. Like this. This is how you're going to get them fall off the bone ribs. But we don't want them to fall off the bone now. Okay? Alright, now we got to do those. We're going to put this in there for about another half an hour. How about that? So we'll put these over here. Put these golden ribs right over here. They're not golden yet, but they're going to be golden. Alright, now we're going to put this back in the oven for about 30 minutes. And I'll show you what we got after that in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Just uncovering these ribs. Like that. See how tender those are. Yep, they're really tender. See that? Super tender. Pretty good. It tastes really, really super good. Alright. So I'm going to just take this and move this to the side because this is not the start of the show. This is going to go in my baked beans, so make sure you check out that recipe. Lay it down over here. Like that. Just be red. Flip them over. Ooh, wee, that tastes good. Here you go. Put your barbecue sauce on there. Then I'm gonna just brush it. Now, so here's our gold. We're gonna go with this one first. So that's how that looks. Alright. Alright, which one we're going to do first? We'll do this long ones, I guess, first. So we're just going to sprinkle some of that on there. Okay, that's one. And I'll put this other one on there. And this edible gold. Let's see if I can do this one like this. Stuff be in the air too, so be careful when you're doing it. I'm gonna start with the sides. Start with this side first. So I'm gonna get down lower on it. Alright. Let you guys see that up close. Can you see that? So you guys can see that. So that's one. And that's all I'm pretty much going to do. And get my thumbnail together. And I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. There it is. 24 karat gold ribs. From my home to yours. This is how they look. Alright. And I did taste it, and it tastes absolutely amazing. Let me put this back over here. Get my bell out. So guys, please share me out, and please give me a like, a share, and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, that's right, don't forget to hit that bell so you too can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen in a minute.